Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the most streamlined and stress-free way to use the world's largest crypto exchange, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's jump right into the sign up process. First off, you'll want to click the link I've provided in the description or the pinned comments right below this video. That's going to take you directly to the official Binance registration screen. Now, here's a quick tip. By using that specific link, you're going to unlock a 50% fee payback and a $600 rewards package right off the bat. It's a fantastic way to start your journey with a little extra in your wallet. Once you're on the page, let's get that account created. Again, make sure to use that link below the video. You can proceed with your email address or your mobile phone, whichever you prefer. Just type in the email you want to use, check the terms and conditions box at the bottom, and go ahead and click continue. In just a moment, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Grab that code, enter it into the boxes, hit continue, and then you'll be asked to set a password. Just remember, it needs to be at least 8 characters long, including one number and one uppercase letter to keep things secure. And just like that, your account is officially born. If an inviter code screen pops up, just ensure the code is active and finish the sign up. Now that you're in, let's move on to the KYC identity verification. This is a mandatory step, and you really must complete it to be able to deposit, withdraw, or actually trade on Binance. Since it includes a facial scan, it's actually much easier to just finish the process on your mobile phone. Go ahead and install and launch the Binance app on your phone. If you log in with your new account, the app will usually take you straight to the verification screen. First, confirm your nationality and then pick an ID card to proceed. Whether you choose a national ID, driver's license, or passport, it usually gets processed within 5 minutes. So basically, just use whichever one you have within reach right now. Select Take Pictures and click Continue. Take a clear photo of the front and the back of your ID, making sure it fits perfectly in the frame. After that, just fit your face into the oval frame and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you finish that facial scan, just confirm your personal info like your name, date of birth, and address, then click Continue. Select your occupation and hit Continue. And finally, pick your industry and click Continue one last time. The review takes about 5 minutes, and you can see that your KYC is complete on your profile screen. Next up, let's get your security locked down with two-factor authentication, or 2FA. For this part, let's head back to your PC screen. In the left-hand menu under Account, click on Security, and then look for Manage next to the Authenticator app. When you click Enable Authenticator app, a verification code will be sent to your email or phone just to verify it's you. Enter that code and a QR code window will pop up. Leave that screen exactly as it is for a moment, and let's go to your phone to download the Google Authenticator app. Once it's installed, open the app and tap Get Started. For extra security, I recommend clicking Use without signing in. Then just tap Add a code and select Scan a QR code. Point your phone at your PC to scan that code, and a 6-digit OTP for Binance will be generated instantly. Now go back to Binance on your computer, click Next, enter that 6-digit numeric code from the app, and hit Submit. Perfect. Your Google OTP is now officially activated, and there you have it. If this guide made the process a lot clearer for you, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button.